Do you have multiple locations? Is there a manager in each one of those locations? Are you thinking maybe I would have locations, other locations in the future? The secret is each location should be like McDonald's. When you go to a McDonald's, I travel all the time and sometimes it's late at night and it's the only place to eat. I know what I'm gonna get at McDonald's. It might not be the best hamburger in the world, certainly not, but it's dependable. I know what I'm gonna get and I'm not gonna be freaked out by seeing something odd. So you want, if you have multiple locations, your managers should be giving the same customer experience to the agents they recruit. So each manager should not have a different recruiting presentation that's personality based. It should be the exact same presentation. Then it's a real business.